people planting. Okay, so let's go ahead and put it in. Okay, come ahead and mark it right here. Yeah, mark it right here. Yeah, that's perfect. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and mark our line from the bed that we just did. So we go ahead and take the mark, stick it straight. Okay, so we have our line now. Okay, so now we go ahead and cut it. Drop it, Zara. Just turn it this way. Don't put your hands there before it cuts you. Good job.
We got 2 pieces.
Good job.
Yeah.
Let's go ahead and push this together. I got it. Let me drill the first one to get it in place for you, okay? There. So now we fix up the side of the bed. Now we're gonna add the soil back to it, okay? So let me show you how to do it. So you're gonna take it and you're gonna put it like this. Okay? Go ahead and do it. Okay. Not a lot, just a little. Yeah, it got wet.
I can get one.
So now we add the peat moss to the compost. Now we go ahead and mix it, okay?
Okay.
So let's go ahead and mix the soil. So you do it like this. So you take it, you mix it like this. So everything can mix together like you mixing cement. So now we mix the soil, we add the fertilizer. Now we're gonna go ahead and do the exciting part. Planting. What do you say? Planting? Eh? Okay. So we're gonna plant some tomatoes. We're gonna plant some peanuts. We're gonna plant some okra.
Need to plant peanuts.
Yes, I'm gonna show you how.
Oh, those are wow.
Yeah, okra too. Alright. What I want you to do, go ahead and get the tomatoes.
Yeah.
So now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and separate them. So first, let's go ahead and dig a hole. Okay? So we're gonna put it right here. And we're gonna go ahead and plant it. So we're gonna break. So we're gonna move the 2 leaves up top. Break this one. Break this one off, okay? And then we're gonna plant it a little deep. And then put it in the ground. Alright, fish. We're gonna plant 2. We're gonna now plant eggplant. We're gonna be planting 1 eggplant here and 1 here. Okay?
Okay.
So we're not gonna dig the hole deep. It's just gonna be a little inch, so it's gonna be like this. Okay? Very thorough. Okay. Yeah, put another 2 over here.
Thank you, Daddy.
Now we got marigold, so now we go ahead and add it as a companion for the tomatoes. It's gonna prevent any pests coming to affect the tomatoes, okay?
Okay.
So we're gonna, what color you want to plant?
Orange.
So we do,
Orange.
okay, so we'll do 1 orange and 1 yellow, okay? So let's take this thing out,
Yan là yellow.
and then let's get the yellow out, okay?
Now what to doing?
You cannot reach in the middle. Okay, so we're gonna break it apart like this.
Then break this one.
So now we plant our plant. Now what you think about the garden? It's good? Give me a bounce. What's the next step?
Me walking around
The most
the plants.
important step.
Me walking around the plants. So
No.
the plants.
No, what's it? It starts with a W.
Oh, water.
Yes, good job. Water. Let's go ahead and start watering. Go and get the hose. And then once you see it soaking up, then you're gonna come down, okay? Alright guys, if you enjoyed this type of content, please leave in the comment what type of plants you're growing and what plants that we should be growing next. Alright guys.
See you next time, guys.
I see you in the next time guys.